Okay, so this is a key action bed or key sound test, and we're going to compare the Juno DS Roland, and you see there's hardly any sound coming from there, and there's no kind of a reverb, or let's say there's no vibration at the end or a bouncing characteristics, so which is good. Now we're moving on to quite a famous Yamaha keyboard, the moxf8, and in comparison this one is fairly noisy and there's a lot of like springing going on here when compared to this is a cheaper, this is only $1,000 $999 keyboard, but it has the Roland RH3 action, and this is noisier and a lot more springy. Here is a more expensive board, the RD2000. Of course, this is a, I can turn the volume down. It's strange because the Juno DS has less bouncing, springing at the top than the more expensive RD2000. I do believe this has a different mechanism. It's the RH4 as opposed to, this is the I think the RH3 keyboard action. This is the Roland RH4. But definitely the Roland keyboards make less noise than the Yamaha keys. Let's not say keyboards, the keys. Definitely make less noise. And that's it. Those are the three keys that we're going to review as far as noise, the actual mechanical noise is concerned with the keys.